Hey there, I'm back. I'm on my Power Macintosh 8500 today. To make these videos easier in the future, I'm going to format this other hard drive. Looks like I was installing Mac OS X on this at one point. Let's see how much space it has. This is a 2 gig drive, so what I think I want to do is erase this drive, and that way I can load onto the software that I want to show off and feature onto that drive. It'll speed up things rather than playing it off of the CD-ROMs, because I only have less than 200 megabytes, just barely over 100 megabytes available on my boot drive right now, which is only a 1 gigabyte drive. So let's format this drive. And I'd like to show you how to do that under Mac OS 9. We'll go to our applications, then find our utilities folder, drive setup. We'll open that up. This is pretty much how you dealt with drives ever since the beginning of the Macintosh. I want to go to my Macintosh hard drive. That's the one that I actually do want to erase, and I'll click on initialize here. And then here I can go in and I can set custom partitions in here, how I want them to be formatted. I could even make DOS drives. Back at the time that this computer was made, there were Macintoshes that you could partition with having a DOS partition, and they actually had x86 processors inside of them. But I'm going to make one partition, and we'll make it macOS Extended, and we'll just erase it. Here we go. And there is my new clean drive with 2 gigabytes available on it. And I can just rename this now that it has been formatted. Call it the hard drive. Now anything that I want to move over to it, I can just put it on there. It'll be much faster loading, demoing these things from the hard drive than it was from the CD-ROM disk. If you want to see more videos like this, comment below and click subscribe.